everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video we'll continue with exercise 11 from chapter section formula. So coming to question number 15. If A is minus 4,3 and B is 8, minus 6. First part, find the length of AB. Second part, in what ratio is the line segment joining AB divided by the x-axis? There are 2 points A and B, and joining the two a line segment is formed. Okay, so 2 points hai A, B. There is a segment being formed and A का coordinates is minus 4,3, B का coordinates is 8, minus 6. So end points का coordinates हम लोग क्या लेते हैं? x1, y1 and x2, y2. Okay. First part में you have to find the length of AB. So to find the length, you will apply distance formula. Distance formula you have learnt earlier, students. ये already हो चुका है. So distance formula apply करना पड़ेगा to find the length of the segment. What is distance formula? Under root, that is square root of x2 minus x1 the whole का square plus y2 minus y1 the whole का square. This is distance formula. This will give you the length of AB. So x2, x1 we know, values पता है, y2, y1 also we know. Put the values and solve. Okay, so you will get the answer, the length of segment AB. All right. Units नहीं दिया हुआ है, centimeter, meter, nothing is given. So units हम लोग as it is लिखेंगे. So whatever answer you get, that units. Okay, so whenever you are not given whether it is centimeter, meter, just write down units. Okay, we'll solve this further, but this is just to give you an idea कि कैसे solve करना है. Second part, how we'll solve, let us see that. In what ratio is the line segment joining AB divided by x-axis? The segment is being divided by x-axis. Now segment normally we take like this. For simplicity we draw always like this. x-axis है, so x-axis itself is a horizontal line, sleeping line है. So x-axis will be like this, है ना? So I'll be taking like this only. X-axis पहले consider करते, then we'll draw the segment. Okay. So x-axis and AB are intersecting at one point. Basically, that is what it means. AB and x-axis दोनों intersect हो रहा है at some point. So there is segment AB, which is being cut by x-axis. So A है, B है. A का coordinates we know, minus 4,3 and B का coordinates 8, minus 6. All right. This is the point where x-axis is cutting AB, okay, or intersecting AB. So at this point it is dividing AB into two parts, okay, ये part and ये part. So let this point be P. Now this point is lying on the segment and it is also lying on x-axis. X-axis पे भी है ये. So इसका coordinates क्या हो जाएगा? X coordinate होगा. There is some x coordinate because it is lying on x-axis. What about y coordinate? Y coordinate will be 0. If any point is lying on x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. And if any point is lying on y-axis, x coordinate is 0. है ना? Vice versa. So यहाँ पे y coordinate 0 होगा वो point का. Okay, very very important. You are supposed to know this. Without this, you will not be able to solve the question also. So y coordinate यहाँ पे 0 हो जाएगा. Now, how will we find out what ratio में ये divide हो रहा है? We don't know the ratio. AP is to PB. जो ratio में ये segment divide हो रहा है, we don't know that. So M is to N, we don't know. We need to find that out. In what ratio? M is to N, find out करना है. So to find out the ratio, which formula? We know only 3 formulas: section formula, the midpoint formula and centroid formula. So यहाँ पे 2 sections है, दोनों equal है या नहीं हम लोग को नहीं पता है. So we'll apply section formula. So using section formula, what will be the coordinates of P? P का x कोऑर्डिनेट हो जाएगा mx2 प्लस nx1 अपॉन m प्लस n. ये x1 y1 है, ये x2 y2 है. सो mx2 प्लस nx1 अपॉन m प्लस n. ये x कोऑर्डिनेट एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट विल बी my2 प्लस ny1 अपॉन m प्लस n. my2 ny1 upon m plus n. Now by section formula coordinates of P ये है, x coordinate of P is this, y coordinate is this, but x coordinate is x and y coordinate is 0. We know this part, है ना. x coordinate कुछ तो है, कुछ value है x का, we don't know that, but x coordinate is this and y coordinate is this. Now how can a point have more than one x coordinate and more than one y coordinate? Possible नहीं है. A point will have only one x coordinate and only one y coordinate. So x is equal to this whole thing is equal to x, and this whole thing is equal to 0, because x coordinate same होना चाहिए, y coordinate same होना चाहिए. So यहाँ पे ये equate करके कोई point नहीं है, because x we don't know, we don't have any value, numerical value नहीं पता है. So ये equate करके there is no point. This we will consider y coordinate. We know P का y coordinate is 0. So my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n is equal to 0. y2 we know y2 is minus 6. So minus 6 into m, minus 6m, and ny1, so n into 3. So 3n upon m plus n is equal to 0. ये solve करेंगे. Solving this we will find out m upon n क्या मिल रहा है. So you will easily get the ratio. Okay. So even if they ask you कि coordinate of P क्या हो जाएगा, that is x coordinate क्या हो जाएगा, you can easily find out. Once you get m and n का value substitute करो, x2 x1 भी पता है, so you can easily find out the x coordinate also. They have not asked over here, but in case they ask. Okay. So now let us write down the given in proper manner and then solve properly. So first draw the figure properly. Okay. Once you draw the figure, writing down the given is very easy. पहले हम लोग सारा information लिखेंगे. So we'll take a as x1 y1 and b as x2 y2. So write that down first. Let a be x1 y1, that is minus 4 comma 3. Let b be equal to x2 y2, that is 8 comma minus 6. P का coordinates we took as x comma 0. X coordinate है, it is something, we don't know that x का value, and 0 is the y coordinate because it is lying on y axis. So write down, since P lies on x axis, therefore its y coordinate is 0. So let P be x comma 0. Okay. So we are assuming its coordinates to be x comma 0. Now P is dividing a, b in the ratio m is to n. So just write down, x axis is dividing segment AB at P, at point P पे divide कर रहा है. Okay, x axis P पे divide कर रहा है AB को in the ratio m is to n. So m is to n we need to find out. All right. So this will be your given. Okay, given information ये हो जाएगा. So write this down. Now first we'll find out the length of AB. पहले AB का length find out करते हैं. First part is very easy. So first part, length of AB will be equal to under root x2 minus x1 the whole का square plus y2 minus y1 the whole का square. We know x2, x1, y2, y1. So x2 is 8 minus x1 is -4. So 8 minus 4 separately. Okay, 4 के साथ माइनस साइन है, so वो separately put a box bracket and square it. If you make one mistake in sign, your entire answer goes wrong. Okay, so be very, very careful. y2 is -6 minus y1 is 3. The whole का square. Okay, so length AB will be under root 8 minus into minus gives plus, so 8 plus 4 the whole का square plus -6 minus 3, so 6 plus 3 9 होता है and both are negative, so -9 the whole का square. So 8 plus 4 gives 12 squared plus 9 का square is 81. So square is always positive, be it negative number or positive number. Square हमेशा positive होगा because -9 into -9, minus into minus gives you plus. So 12 square is 144 plus 81. So 144 plus 81, I'm doing the working over here, only 225 हो जाएगा. Square root of 225. Okay, next step में आएगा. I did the working over here only. Square root of 225 is 15. Okay, square and square roots you are supposed to know up to 30. Okay, 30 तक squares पता होना चाहिए and उसका square root भी पता होना चाहिए respectively. So 30 का square 900 होगा. If they ask you 900 का square root क्या होगा, you are supposed to know it is 30. Okay, so up to 30 please memorize students. Okay, memorize कर लो पूरा. 225 का square root 15 हो जाएगा. So on next line you will write down equal to 15. 15 what? Here we don't know whether it is centimeter, meter, what. So units. So 15 units. Box this. इसको box कर लो. So length AB is equal to 15 units. So write down the length of AB is 15 units. Final statement लिख लेना. So final statement हो जाएगा. The length of AB is 15 units. Coming to the second part of the question now. In second part, we have to find the ratio in which the segment is being divided by x-axis. So m upon n find out करना है. To find that, we'll use section formula. Okay, 2 sections में divide हो रहा है. So by section formula, coordinates of P क्या हो जाएगा? So write down by section formula or using section formula, coordinates of P, that is x comma 0, will be what? X coordinate will be mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. And y coordinate will be my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. X coordinate is not required over here. We don't need to find anything from there. Okay. Y coordinate we'll equate because y coordinate we know 0 है. X coordinate पता भी नहीं है. That is why we are not considering. Y coordinate we know 0 है. So this is supposed to be equal to 0. So 0 is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Okay. So 0, ये यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करते हैं 0 इंटू एम प्लस एन, दैट इज बेसिकली 0 ही हो जाएगा, इज इक्वल टू एम y2 क्या है, इट इज -6 प्लस n इंटू y1 इज 3. दिस विल गिव 0 इज इक्वल टू -6m प्लस 3n. सो 6m पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, शिफ्टिंग ओवर हियर इज इक्वल टू 3n. I need m upon n, so I'll keep m as it is. n को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करेंगे, so it will go in denominator, and 3 we'll keep as it is, and 6 को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करते हैं, so 3 as it is, 6 will go in denominator. 3 ones are 3 twos are, so m upon n is equal to 1 upon 2, that is half. So m is to n is equal to 1 is to 2. Write this and box this. Okay. इसके बाद फाइनल स्टेटमेंट. सो write down the final statement. I'm not writing down, students. The ratio in which the line segment is divided by the x-axis is 1:2. So write down the final statement. Please don't forget that. Next question, question number 16. In what ratio does the line x minus y minus 2 equal to 0 divide the line segment joining the points 3, -1 and 8, 9? Also find the coordinates of the point of division. There is a line which is dividing a segment. Okay, एक line है which is cutting a segment, joining 2 points. Now कौन से रेशियो में डिवाइड कर रहा है? दैट इज m:n. ये और ये, इसका रेशियो क्या है? वी डोंट नो, वी नीड टू फाइंड दैट. ओके, so there is a line x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. ये लाइन है x minus y minus 2 equal to 0 which is cutting a segment joining 2 points. So there is a segment joining 2 points 3, -1 and 8, 9. Let's name the points A, B. So A, B is being cut or being intersected by a line x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Now कौन से रेशियो में डिवाइड कर रहा है वो फाइंड आउट करना है. m:n फाइंड आउट करना है. m:n और m/n फाइंड आउट करना है. There is one more thing that we have to find. Find the coordinates of the point of division. So AB is being cut by this line at this point. ये पॉइंट पे कट हो रहा है. So ये जो पॉइंट है उसका कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या होगा? x and y कोऑर्डिनेट we need to find out. So let this point be P and let its x coordinate be A, y coordinate be B. Y I am taking A, B. x and y यहाँ पे यूज हुआ है. So better not take x, y. Okay, let us take it as A, B, or you can take it as alpha, beta. Okay, up to you. So P का x कोऑर्डिनेट A ले रहे हैं, y कोऑर्डिनेट B ले रहे हैं. एंड कोऑर्डिनेट क्या लेते हैं सेगमेंट का? ऑलवेज x1, y1, x2, y2. So I hope up to here it's clear, है ना? यहाँ तक क्लियर है कि कैसे कट हो रहा है, ये पॉइंट पे हो रहा है. रेशियो फाइंड आउट करना है. सेकेंड पार्ट कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड आउट करना है. P का कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या होगा? A, B फाइंड आउट करना है. सो फर्स्ट वी नीड द रेशियो. हाउ विल वी फाइंड आउट द रेशियो? वंस यू गेट m and n इट्स वेरी इजी. फिर तो कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड आउट करना बहुत इजी है. m पता है, n पता है, x1, y1 पता है, x2, y2 पता है. विच फॉर्मूला? सेक्शन फॉर्मूला, है ना? सो सेक्शन फॉर्मूला से वी विल इजीली गेट द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ P. सेम सेक्शन फॉर्मूला वील यूज to find out m and n also. Let's see कैसे find out करेंगे. By section formula, coordinates of P क्या होगा? X coordinate will be mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, है ना? X coordinate will be mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Y coordinate will be my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Right? Okay. Now we know any point will have only one x coordinate and only one y coordinate. एक ही हो सकता है. So this x coordinate is equal to A and this y coordinate is equal to B, है ना? So this thing is equal to A. ये पूरा is equal to A and this is equal to B. Now very very important part, how we are going to find out m and n. यहीं से हम लोग को मिलेगा. P का x कोऑर्डिनेट ये है, y कोऑर्डिनेट ये है. We know P is also lying on this line, है ना? It is lying on AB also, it is lying on this also because this is the point of intersection. So वो इस पे भी लाई कर रहा है. So if point is lying on a certain line, it satisfies the equation. We know this part. So P will satisfy the equation. Equation क्या है? it is x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. So if I put the x and y coordinate respectively, it will satisfy the equation. So x coordinate is a of p, y coordinate is b. So it should satisfy the equation because it is lying on the line. So a kya hai? A is this, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. B kya hai? B is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Minus 2 equal to 0. Right? In place of A I put this, in place of B I put this. x2 x1 also we know, y2 y1 also we know. So वो values भी put करेंगे. Okay. So x2 is 8 and x1 is 3. So 8m plus 3n upon m plus n minus y2 is 9 and y1 is minus 1. So 9m minus 1n, that is n, upon m plus n minus 2 is equal to 0. ये solve करेंगे. You need to solve this and find out m upon n. What you are getting? M upon n is nothing but m is to n. Ratio मिल जाएगा. Okay. So this is important part. It lies on the equation, on the line also. Okay. So it satisfies the equation. So this is the important part. Alright. So m and n मिल गया. Once you get m and n, second part is very easy. Coordinates find karna is very easy. First we'll frame all the information. So let the line x minus y minus 2 equal to 0 intersect, that is cut AB at which point? At point P. In what ratio? M is to n. So write this statement. Okay, ये पूरा statement लिखो. After this, A we are taking as x1 y1 and B as x2 y2. So let A be x1 y1 and the coordinates, B be x2 y2 and the coordinates. P का coordinates क्या ले रहे हैं हम लोग? A comma B. So write down let P also be equal to A comma B. Now we'll apply the section formula first. Okay. X coordinate, that is A क्या होगा and B क्या होगा? Y coordinate. Let us see by section formula. So by section formula, PA comma B will be, X coordinate will be mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. And y coordinate will be my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. है ना? So x2 x1 and y2 y1 we know. Let's put the values over here. So m into x2 is 8. n into x1 is 3 upon m plus n. Then m into y2 is 9 and n into y1 is minus 1 upon m plus n. Now we know that A is equal to this and B is equal to this. So इसके बाद PA comma B will be equal to 8m plus 3n upon m plus n and 9m minus 1n, that is 9m minus n upon m plus n. So A is equal to this and B is equal to this. है ना? So write down A is equal to this entire thing, पूरा लिखो, and B is equal to 9m minus n upon m plus n. So write this thing. Okay, I'm not writing down. A and B का values मिल गया, what they are in terms of m and n. Now P is lying on this line also, x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. So it will satisfy the equation. So let us put A and B ka values over here in the equation. So P is lying on this line also. It lies on AB as well as this line. So write down P lies on x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, it satisfies the equation. So it means I can put its x coordinate and y coordinate over here and it will satisfy the equation. So x coordinate and y coordinate क्या है? x coordinate is a, y coordinate is b, -2 equal to 0. Okay. Now a क्या है and b क्या है? Let us put the values over here. So 8m plus 3n upon m plus n minus 9m minus n upon m plus n minus 2 is equal to 0. Let's open the brackets and solve. So 8m plus 3n upon m plus n minus 9m क्या हो जाएगा? नेगेटिव, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस n अपॉन m प्लस n. डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, सो आई कैन टेक कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप. -2 इज इक्वल टू 0. लेट्स शिफ्ट 2 ओवर हियर, सो इक्वल टू 2 हो जाएगा, है ना. सो कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर m प्लस n, 8m प्लस 3n माइनस 9m प्लस n इज इक्वल टू 2. 8m माइनस 9m माइनस 1m हो जाएगा, दैट इज माइनस m. सो माइनस m, 3n प्लस n 4n upon m plus n is equal to 2. Let us shift this over here. So minus m plus 4n is equal to 2 into m plus n. So m minus m plus 4n is equal to 2m plus 2n. Let's shift m over here and n over here. m साथ में ग्रुप करते हैं, n साथ में. So 2m as it is plus m and 4n as it is. 2n यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करेंगे, so minus 2n. So 2n is equal to 3m. I need m upon n. रेशियो फाइंड आउट करना है. So m as it is रखते हैं, n को शिफ्ट करेंगे, so it will go in denominator. So if you shift n on the other side, that is 2n equal to 3m है, m upon n चाहिए. So m as it is रखते हैं, n को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करेंगे and 2 as it is, 3 को यहाँ पे, so it will go in denominator. So m upon n is 2 upon 3. Switch the sides. That is m is to n is equal to 2 is to 3. We got the ratio. First part हो गया. Okay. So now you can write down the statement. Okay. The line x minus y minus 2 equal to 0 divides AB, segment AB in the ratio 2 is to 3. So write this statement. Okay. First box this and then write the statement. We know that by section formula, x coordinate of P, that is A, is 8m plus 3n upon m plus n, and y coordinate of P, that is B, is 9m minus n upon m plus n. So we need x and y coordinate, that is A and B का values चाहिए to find out the coordinates of the point P. So let us put the values of m and n. m 2 है, n 3 है. So let us put the values. So a हो जाएगा 8 into 2 plus 3 into n is 3 upon 2 plus 3. b क्या हो जाएगा? 9 into m is 2, n is 3 upon 2 plus 3. So a is 8 2s are 16 plus 3 3s are 9 upon 2 plus 3, that is 5. And b will be 9 2s are 18 minus 3 upon 5. So 16 plus 9 25 हो जाएगा, 25 upon 5, and b 15 upon 5. 5 5s are 5 3s are. So a is 5 and b is 3. So p का coordinates, that is a comma b, क्या हो गया? It is 5 comma 3. Okay. So write down the final answer. ये box कर दो and final answer लिखो. The coordinates of point P are 5, 3. Let's read the next question. Question number 17. Given a line segment AB joining the points A -4, 6 and B 8, -3, find first part the ratio in which AB is divided by the y-axis, second part the coordinates of the point of intersection, third part the length of AB. There is a segment joining two points A and B जिसका coordinates दिया हुआ है, and this AB is being divided by y-axis. So y-axis is intersecting this segment. So y-axis will be like this, standing line, ठीक है, vertical होगा. So this is y-axis and it is intersecting segment A B, and let's say it is intersecting at some point P. ठीक है, A का coordinates is -4, 6 and B का coordinates 8, -3. N coordinates, what do we take? x1, y1 and x2, y2. So n coordinates we know. P का coordinates क्या होगा? P is lying on y-axis also. On y-axis x coordinate will be 0, है ना? Y-axis पे x coordinate will be 0 and y coordinate something. So let us take it as small y. So P का x coordinate will be 0 and y coordinate we have taken as y. Okay. Let us see what all we need to find out. यहाँ तक we know what all information we are given. ठीक है, A का पता है, B का पता है, P का we are assuming y coordinate to be small y and x coordinate we know will be 0. Let us see what we need to find out. First part, the ratio in which AB is divided by y-axis. First we need to find out the ratio in which y-axis is dividing AB. So ये ratio m is to n find out करना है first part में, m and n find out करना है. Second we need to find the coordinates of the point of intersection. So जहाँ पे y and AB कट हो रहा है, intersect हो रहा है, that point का coordinates find out करना है, that is P का coordinates. We know x coordinate is 0 but y coordinate क्या है find out करना है. So y का value we need to find out in second part. First m and n, second part y. Third part we need to find out the length of AB. So this part is very easy. AB का length, segment का length find out करना है, so you'll use distance formula. Okay, so distance formula क्या है? It is x2 minus x1 the whole का square plus y2 minus y1 the whole का square under root. Okay, so we know x1, x2, y1, y2. Just put the values, you'll get the answer. मिल जाएगा distance, the length. Okay, so last part is easy. First two parts कैसे solve करेंगे? Let us see. First part में ratio find out करना है m and n. So to find the ratio, that is two sections का जो ratio है वो find out करना है. So which formula? Section formula. So by section formula P का coordinates क्या होगा? X coordinate will be mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So P का coordinates will be mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y coordinate will be my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now we know any point will have only one x coordinate and only one y coordinate. So 0 will be equal to this and y will be equal to this, है ना? 0 इससे equal होगा and y इससे equal होगा. So x2, x1 we know, we can put the values over here. Okay, x2 क्या है? It is 8, x1 is -4. So 8m minus 4n upon m plus n is equal to 0. एंड यहाँ पे y2 is -3, so -3m, and y1 is 6, so plus 6n upon m plus n is equal to y. First part में we need to find out m and n, so m and n find out करने के लिए we'll consider this part, because we need some value over here. यहाँ पे y नहीं पता है, we don't have a number, यहाँ पे number है, 0 है, so we'll consider this part. Okay, x coordinate consider करेंगे, equate this, solve this and find out m upon n क्या मिल रहा है. Okay, m upon n find out करेंगे, ratio find out करेंगे. First part easy है, solve हो जाएगा using section formula. x coordinate equate करो and y coordinate नहीं हो पाएगा because y coordinate पता नहीं है. Okay, so once you get m and n का value, second part is easy now. m and n का वैल्यूज मिल जाएगा. लेट्स से 1:2 है सपोज. सो यू नो m and n का वैल्यूज, यू नो x1 y1 x2 y2. सॉल्व यूजिंग सेक्शन फॉर्मूला, कोऑर्डिनेट्स मिल जाएगा. x का तो 0 है, y का इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, यहीं से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. m और n का वैल्यूज डाल दो यहाँ पे, जस्ट पुट द वैल्यूज एंड यू विल गेट द y कोऑर्डिनेट, यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ y. ओके, we know x is 0, y का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा, so you will get the coordinates of p also. Third part, you need to find out the length of AB, that is distance formula. Okay, so let us now write down the given in proper manner and solve. There are a few statements that we need to write down first. So let y-axis intersect AB at point P. Y-axis is intersecting AB at point P. So P is lying on the y-axis, therefore its x coordinate will be 0. Okay, so let P का coordinates be 0, y. All right. A we are taking as x1 y1 and we know the values. B we are taking as x2 y2 and we know the values. So write this down. After this, P is dividing AB in some ratio. So let the ratio be m:n. Now we will apply section formula. पहले क्या find out करना है? m and n. So we'll apply section formula and let us see what will be the coordinates of P. So by section formula, coordinates of P, we know coordinates of P is 0, y. We have assumed it to be 0, y. ये तो 0 है लेकिन this we have assumed to be y. So let us see by section formula क्या मिलेगा. X coordinate will be mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Y coordinate will be my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Close the brackets. Okay. So p0, y, x coordinate क्या हो जाएगा? m into x2 is 8. So m into 8 plus n into x1 is -4. So minus n into -4 upon m plus n. Y coordinate will be m into y2, that is -3, plus n into y1, that is 6 upon m plus n. So p0, y will be 8m minus 4n हो जाएगा, plus into minus gives minus 4n upon m plus n, and यहाँ पे minus 3m plus 6n upon m plus n. We know 0 is equal to this and y is equal to this. m and n find करने के लिए I need some number. So y coordinate यहाँ पे y तो नहीं पता है. I know this is 0. So I'll take 0 equal to this and first we'll find out m upon n, that is m is to n. Okay, so x coordinate equate करते हैं first. Okay, so write down 8m minus 4n upon m plus n is equal to 0. Shifting m plus n over here, 0 into anything, 0 हो जाएगा. So 8m minus 4n is equal to 0. Shifting 4n over here, 8m is equal to 4n. नाउ वी नीड m अपॉन n, सो n को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करते हैं एंड 8 को यहाँ पे, दैट इज बेसिकली वेरिएबल्स ऑन वन साइड एंड नंबर ऑन द अदर साइड. सो m एज इट इज, n को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करेंगे इन डिनोमिनेटर, 4 एज इट इज, 8 को शिफ्ट करेंगे सो इट विल गो इन डिनोमिनेटर, 4 1s are 4 2s are, so m upon n is 1 upon 2. Okay, so ratio मिल गया, first part we got. Okay, so write down after this, box this and write down the ratio in which AB is divided by y-axis is 1:2. Don't forget this statement. Okay, now we'll move on to the second part. Second part में we need to find the coordinates of the point of intersection, that is coordinates of this point P. So coordinates find out करने के लिए I need to apply section formula, and for section formula I need m n x1 y1 x2 y2. I know all of these, so let us apply section formula and find out the coordinates. We have already got by section formula that coordinates of P will be this, but we know कि x coordinate 0 है. Okay, so even if you substitute the values of m and n over here, यहाँ पे substitute भी करेंगे, यहाँ पे 0 ही मिलने वाला है ना. so ये तो 0 ही है, y find out करना है, y coordinate. so take this first, ठीक है, यही फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं डायरेक्टली. वाई सॉल्व दिस एंटायर थिंग, ये तो 0 ही मिलने वाला है मुझे, एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट मुझे पता है 0 है. ओके, सो ये 0 ही मिलेगा, वाई कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड आउट करना है. सो टेक वाई इक्वल टू दिस एंड सॉल्व डायरेक्टली इंस्टेड. ओके, सो राइट डाउन वाई कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पी is y equals to -3m plus 6n upon m plus n. m क्या है and n क्या है? m is 1, n is 2. So -3 into 1 plus 6 into 2 upon 1 plus 2. So -3 plus 12 upon 3. So 12 minus 3 gives 9, 9 upon 3. That is 3 3s are 9. So 3 मिल रहा है. So y is equal to 3. So P का coordinates क्या है? P is equal to 0, 3. Box this. Okay. So write down the statement after this. The coordinates of the point of intersection are 0, 3. Okay. Second part का आंसर ये हो जाएगा. Coming to the third part now, we need to find the length of AB. So over here we'll apply distance formula. So write down by distance formula. Whenever you're using distance formula, you have to write down by distance formula, length of AB will be under root x2 minus x1 the whole का square plus y2 minus y1 the whole का square. x2 है 8 and x1 है -4. So 8 minus -4. Okay, be careful. साइंस में मिस्टेक होगा तो आंसर विल गो रॉन्ग. होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 is -3. So -3 and y1 is 6. -6 the whole का square. So 8 minus plus 4 the whole का square plus -3 minus 6. So -9 the whole का square. 8 plus 4 gives 12 squared plus 9 का square is 81 and square of a negative number is positive. So 12 का square हो जाएगा 144 plus 81. So length AB is equal to square root of 144 plus 81, 225. So that is again 15 units. Okay. So units लिख देंगे because we don't know what is the unit, centimeter, meter, kilometer, we don't know. So we are taking it as 15 units. Box this and write down the final statement. The length of AB is 15 units.